Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richo Cooking's Turkey and Camembert Melt. Ingredients are on the recipe box below. Great way to use up any leftover turkey. These are just the trimmings off the carcass. We're just going to cut a couple of good sized chunks of our camembert here, and we're going to cook these in a sandwich maker. The turkey will be moist and tender, the cheese will be nice and gooey, and the whole thing will be melded together with our cranberry sauce. So we've just got our Turkish bread here, and we're just going to spread a bit of butter on that. Don't go too crazy because we've got quite a bit of fat in the cheese, as you can imagine. It's a full cream cheese. Let's peel our wrapper off. It's really quite sticky, that's why I've left the wrapper on, otherwise I'll never manage it. We've got our sandwich maker heating at the moment. Now it's on with our turkey. Just press that all around in there. Put plenty on. You want a really delicious sandwich. We're doing it for flavour, not for profit. It's much better than what you're going to get in a sandwich bar anywhere, and you can make it at home. Prepare it ahead of time if you like. Wrap it in foil and then just pop it in your toaster oven when you get to work. Now it's on with our cranberry sauce. Don't be stingy with this because it'll give it a lovely, rich, sweet flavour and colour. Lid on, a little press down, keep it all together. Okay, our sandwich maker is preheated and we're just going to pop it smack bang in the centre. The cheese will melt and it'll sort of spill out a little bit. Don't worry about that, it's a non-stick surface, it's not going to cause you any grief. And we're just going to heat that until it's nice and toasty on the outside. And of course, by that stage, the inside will be well and truly melted and pressed together. Okay, after a few minutes it's nice and crispy and brown. You can see the cheese has tried to get out a little bit. Don't worry too much about that. It'll reset when you cut it, and that will just wipe out quite easily. Okay, let it cool a little bit to let that cheese relax back into the sandwich so it's easier to cut. And then we're just going to cut it on an angle using a sharp knife. And that is what you should have. Doesn't that look delicious? It's hot, chewy, crispy, absolutely delicious. We're just going to serve those with some crunchy potato chips. And there you have it, Cheeky Richo's Camembert and Cranberry Turkey Melt. Yum, yum, yum. Serve with another little pot of extra cranberry sauce if you like, but that's all you need. It's a hearty, delicious, comforting lunch. Thanks for watching. Have a little taste, shall we? That is just so good. Thanks for watching.